The overspray.
Overspray?
Oh, yeah. So you got to move your cars for the
Yeah, I will.
Pero the painting va a ser
And you need to paint the sign that's on the other side of that.
painting.
Okay.
But painting the masking. Masking painting, okay?
Yeah, so let us know when overspray he needs to move.
The masking, the aquí.
Okay.
Masking.
Here.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Then we'll go on this.
Tomorrow, un bull. Tomorrow para
This behind here.
okay?
Okay. It's way over there. Okay. And then when here.
Get this all painted. The front of the building and the pillars.
1, 2, 3.
Looks like they're painting. And then they'll mask off the black and paint all the gray.
Today we've got them painting out here alongside the street, so they're on the sidewalk. We got all of that painted there. And they're going through doing all of this now. All right, so we get here and the painters go, hey, we need your help. And apparently got a little stuck. So here we are to pull them out.
I don't like your face.
I don't like that thing stretching as much as it is. Hey, step back. Ah! We need an actual chain.
Yeah.
Sheetrock motors going. Got the electrician back here. Took all our lights.
Easy, man.
He makes it nice and easy for sure. Goes quick with that.
This is how we're holding the door open for now. I just textured everything. We're up there texturing. got all our doors installed. And then he's texturing the ceiling.
Sparky's doing nothing. They never do. But yet, somehow we all are.
He's talking shit. We got, then we have light.